How to change language for Pinduoduo into English. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change language for Pinduoduo into English. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. You can open up the website of Pinduoduo from any browser. So after you are on pinduoduo.com, as you can see, the language is different than English. So if you want to change it to English, all you have to do is head towards the top right corner, tap on the three dot icon. Now from this menu box, there is an option as translate, tap on translate. And here it says the English or the language is translated into English. And as you can see, now the language in the Pinduoduo is translated to English. If you want to undo it, all you have to do is tap on the three line, tap on translate, and then tap on undo. And the language will change back to Chinese. Again, to translate to English, again tap on it, and there you go. The language for Pinduoduo is changed into English. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.